Want to know how to customize your help desk with branding and themes? You're in the right place. Today, I'll show you exactly how to personalize your help desk in just a few simple steps, so it matches your brand and creates a seamless experience for your customers. First, let's dive right into the basics. When it comes to customizing your help desk with branding and themes, the key is to focus on visual elements that align with your business. The first step is usually uploading your logo. Most software will have an option in the settings where you can upload your logo image. This simple step sets the tone for your help desk and gives your users the impression that they're interacting with a part of your brand. Next, you'll want to select your primary colors. Customizing the colors of your help desk should reflect your brand's color palette. Whether it's your header, background, or buttons, color consistency is key to ensuring the help desk feels familiar and branded. You can typically do this directly from the theme or appearance settings. Then, let's talk about fonts. You want your help desk to feel professional, and customizing the fonts can help with that. Choose fonts that align with your brand identity, whether that's something bold and modern or clean and minimal. Look for options that maintain legibility, but still make your help desk feel cohesive with your other branding. Now, let's move on to the layout. Depending on your software, you may have the option to customize your help desk's layout, from the position of your ticket system to the placement of your contact information. Choose a layout that fits your brand style while ensuring it's easy for customers to find what they need. Some help desk software also lets you customize your support portal or knowledge base pages. If it does, try organizing your content in a way that feels intuitive for users. Categories, subcategories, and easy-to-navigate menus are essential for a smooth customer experience. Another crucial customization is your help desk's language and tone. If the software allows it, adjust the messaging to reflect your brand voice. Whether it's casual and friendly or professional and formal, your tone should be consistent across all communication. If you're using the software we'll be using today, customizing your help desk with branding and themes is a simple process, and it doesn't require any technical skills. Plus, you get access to even more advanced customization features as you move forward. Now, here's an open loop. I'll be showing you how to get your help desk not only branded, but also optimized for conversions in future videos, so stay tuned. But for now, let's go over the key takeaway. When customizing your help desk with branding and themes, it's important to keep the visual elements consistent with your overall brand identity, focus on colors, fonts, logos, and layout, and ensure your customer-facing communication is clear and on-brand. To recap, upload your logo, select your brand colors, customize fonts and layout, adjust your language and tone, and make sure the interface is intuitive. Finally, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial of the software we use today in the description below. It's available only to viewers of this channel, so take advantage of that to follow along and try out these features yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.